Hey, welcome back to One Seed, One World, and we are back in the kitchen again today. I know that it seems like we've been doing a lot of these cooking videos here recently, but hey, it's winter time. There wasn't a whole lot going on in the garden, but I promise that pretty soon here coming up, we'll be starting the garden as well as getting back to the greenhouse build project and some other projects out in the yard. But I think it's also important to share the cooking stuff too, because we're talking about how to grow all this different produce and different things to grow, then you need something to do with it and some ideas on how to make it once it's ready to pick, right? So anyway, today we're going to make, did that come in okay? That right there. This is eggplant rolls with spinach and mint. 3 different kinds of cheeses. This is a popular dish with my family gatherings. I've made this a lot over the years. So good though. Alright, so it's pretty simple to make. It's just spinach, some mint, which may seem like a strange ingredient to go in something like this, but it actually gives it a nice little freshness kick, I guess. That kind of is the special secret ingredient of this dish. But yeah, you got spinach, you got mint, you got parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese, eggplant, a couple eggs, some salt and pepper, and you're good to go. So right now we'll walk you through on how to make these things. But please subscribe to our channel. We hope that we see you again soon. Hope everything that's going on in your neck of the woods is going fantastic and that you're having a great day. But try making this these eggplant rolls with spinach and mint, and let us know how they turn out for you and how you like them. So, hope to see you again soon. Namaste.